Hey, welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and I have this oak on here today, but that's besides the point. I want to talk about dust control today and what we're doing for dust control regarding our lungs and that. When I cut, I don't wear a mask, and I'm wondering if we should. I don't have any of those masks we had a couple years ago. I don't know how effective they would be. Hell, if you can smell a fart, you're probably going to get a lot of sawdust in your nose. So I have an actual dust collecting mask. I have a couple masks. I'm not going to wear it when I cut, but I'm going to try to start wearing them when I clean up, because I think, you know, it's a pretty big issue. So let's get this cut and let me show you the masks I'm thinking about using. All right, time to cut. As you can see, I'm standing in front of my 3.5-year-old. I bought this in 2020, the fall of 2020. Frontier OS27 sawmill made by Norwood. I need to clean it. And that brings me to a topic I want to talk about today. I just got done milling, and when you're milling on dry, breezy days, you have a lot of sawdust. These sawmills create a lot of dust, and what they're doing to our lungs, sawdust is an irritant to the lungs. And it can damage your lungs. And there's some dust like cedar and walnut that even be more problematic. Sawdust that doesn't break down as quickly. Even white oak, I suppose, you know, it doesn't break down as quickly as pine or something along the lines of that. But nevertheless, we're inhaling it, you know. Same when I'm at the wood stove. I very rarely put a mask on except when I clean it. So I'm going to try to start doing something a little bit more around the mill. Because if you go to you work at a sawmill or have a sawmill, you know when you blow your nose when you're done, it's not a pleasant sight, and that's a true test. So your sinuses are catching a lot of it, but some of it's making its way into lungs. So I have a couple different masks I'm going to show you. The first one is a 3M mask. This is a full face type mask. This is a mask that you would use for noxious fumes, tear gas, stuff like this. So this is actually a mask I received from the local police department for training them defensive tactics. And so we would train with these on in our defensive tactics, whether it's hand-to-hand grappling, shooting, breaching, so forth. So this would be a little overkill. But this makes a really nice seal. My eyes are protected. My mouth's protected. It has 2 check valves. I inhale through here, and then it goes out through here. So this is really nice. These are 3M canisters on this. And 3M makes the mask as well. So I imagine that's pretty pricey. That was thanks to the sheriff's department. They gave me that for training the guys. And in all truthfulness, I do wear that one when I sand epoxy. I do wear this other one, but if I'm doing a lot of sanding, it keeps it out of my eyes as well. So the second kind of mask, you can see I've been inhaling sawdust all morning. That stuff is an irritant. The second kind of mask is this dust mask. I don't know who makes this one. This is a pretty common dust mask. This is for organic vapor. I can't believe I can read this. Organic vapors, mists of paints, lacquer, enamel, dust, mist, fumes, asbestos-containing dust. This is a nice mask. It has a check valve in the front, and then these 2 containers. It has good adjustment, so it can fit just about any head. I've had this a while. Oop, glasses. And this keeps all the dust out. This is the mask I use when I clean up my wood stove. And I do like this mask because I can keep my safety glasses on too. Another type of mask would be one of those cloth masks. I'm going to reach out to a company and see if they want to partner with me, or maybe even just I'll buy a couple masks and see what works better. But I think maybe we should be wearing dust masks. Let me know. So I'm going to get this cleaned up. So again, here's the two different masks I've used before for dust. This is my primary go-to mask for dust. If it wasn't so bulky, I'd probably wear it when I was even cutting, possibly, if it wasn't too hot out. Obviously, this is a little bit overkill, but this keeps us out of your eyes too. This is a fantastic mask, as well as this. I would like to try like a soft mask, like a painter's mask or something along the lines of that, or a sawdust mask. Or, I'm sorry, a drywall mask. I'll look into a couple, and we'll go from there. But I think I'm going to start at least wearing it when I clean up. That's when I get the most inhale of sawdust. You know, I can see when I'm sitting in there, the wind blowing across there and all the sawdust going everywhere. It doesn't hit me too bad in there, though. But, all right, guys, let me know in the comments if you wear a mask when you're running your sawmill or even machining wood in the wood shop. Take care. See you at the mill next time.